In this video, we will solve a very good numerical based on compressibility and bulk modulus. Let us start with the problem. An empirical pressure density relation for water is given as P upon Pa is equals to 3001 rho upon rho A to the power 7 minus 3000. Where suffix A refers to atmospheric condition, determine the bulk modulus of elasticity and compressibility of water at 5 atmospheric pressure. So let me tell you first that 1 atmospheric pressure can be given as, this can be given as 101.325 kilonewton per meter square or 101.325 kilopascal, because Newton per meter square is nothing but the Pascal. So this is the value of 1 atmospheric pressure. In question they have asked it about for 5 atmospheric pressure. So now let us start with the K value we have is rho dp over d rho. So we need to focus on this term first, how we can determine this term from the equation given. So equation given is P by PA is equals to 3001 rho upon rho A to the power 7 minus 3000. This is the equation given to us. So let us differentiate with respect to density. So what we will get, dp over d rho into Pa, left hand side, this must be equal to 3001 into 7 into rho to the power 6 divided by rho A to the power 7 minus 0. So from here we were already interested in getting this value dp by d rho. So this value dp by d rho can be determined from this, dp over d rho is equals to simply 3001 into 7 into rho to the power 6 into Pa upon rho A to the power 7. Now this is one equation. Put this value in this K value. We have this basic expression for K. So we need to put this value over here. So what we will get? We will get the value of K as K is equals to this value rho multiplied by this value. So this is 3001 into 7 into rho to the power 6 into Pa upon rho A to the power 7, which is equals to, basically we can write that K value is equals to 3001 into 7 into, now this will be rho to the power 7, so we can write rho upon rho A to the power 7 multiplied by P. So PA is given as, already PA is given as 1 atmospheric pressure. So now we will calculate the value of K based on this equation, but we have to find out this value. What will be this value? Rho upon rho A to the power 7. So we are looking for this value. How we can get this value? So this value we can get from our equation. Again, what was our equation? Our equation was P by Pa is equals to 3001 rho by rho A to the power 7 minus 3000. So that simply means that we can write 3001 into rho by rho A to the power 7 will be equals to what? P by Pa plus 3000, and we are looking for this equation only. Now this complete value can be replaced with this value, right? Look at this here. we have this value 3000 multiplied by rho a to the power 7. So this value can be replaced with this expression P by PA plus 3000. So now the value of bulk modulus will be for us. We will write it as 7 multiplied by this value P by PA plus 3000 multiplied by PA. This will be the value for us. Let us check it one more time. So this PA is also there. This PA value is here and 7 is here. And remaining term we have already replaced. So we will now put the value of P. P is given as P is equals to 5 PA because we were supposed to calculate at 5 atmospheric pressure. So in that case the value of K will be now 7 multiplied by A is 5. So 5 PA upon PA, which will eventually get cancelled out. This PA and PA will get cancelled out. So we'll be left with this plus 3000 into PA. Now what is PA value? PA value is 101.325 kilo Pascal. So we'll put this value itself. Now the value of K we can write here, which is 7 into 3005 into 101.325 kilo Pascal, and this value of K comes out to be, after making calculation you will get this value somewhere around 2.131 into 10 raised to the power 6, that is kilo Pascal. So somewhere we will get this value of K in kilopascal. But this is also one of the important topic from theoretical point of view, that K value for water, it is generally somewhere around this 2.131. Now this term 10 to the power 6 into K means 10 to the power 3. So this will be 10 to the power 9 Pascal. So this can directly be given as gigapascal. So this can be another way to write your units. This can be another way to write your units for K, right? So that will be our answer. This is our answer. Thank you. Thank you guys.